there is a big difference between knowing the recipe of pizza and actually being able to cook it. Well, just like that, you know to find out the characteristic of a number, you'd use this small table here. And for the mantissa of a number, you'd use a log table, this big boy here. But do you know how to use these two to actually find the log value of a number? Don't worry, let's find out. Here we have to find the log of 278.23. As this number is greater than 1, the characteristic would be positive. And as this number has 3 digits before the decimal point, the characteristic becomes positive 2, according to the rule. To find the mantissa, you know what to do. First, round off the number to 4 significant digits and remove the decimal. It becomes 2782. Correct. Then, the first 2 digits of this number are to be checked in the column located in the first part of the log table. After that, locate column 8 in the second part of the table. The intersection of 27 and column 8 gives us this. Lastly, locate column 2 in the third part of the table. The intersection of 27 and column 2 gives us this. Adding these two numbers together, we get 4,443. Our mantissa becomes 0.4443. Simple. Now, finally, combining the characteristic and mantissa together, we get the log value of 278.23 as 2.4443. Easy, right? Why did we combine the characteristic and mantissa together but not add them? Even though we would have gotten the same result here either way. Let's look at another example to find out why. To find the log of 0.07058, we first have to find its characteristic. Since this number is lesser than 1, the characteristic would be negative. And since it has only 1 0 immediately after the decimal point, the characteristic becomes -2 according to the rule. It is written like this and read as bar 2. Now, to find out the mantissa, we will round off the number to 4 significant digits and remove the decimal. It becomes 7,058. Then, the first 2 digits of this number are to be checked in the column located in the first part of the table. After that, locate column 5 in the second part of the table. The intersection of 70 and column 5 gives us this number. Lastly, locate column 8 in the third part of the table. The intersection of 70 and column 8 gives us this number. Adding these two, we get 8,487. Our mantissa simply becomes 0.8487. Now, finally, combining the characteristic and mantissa together, we get the log value of 0.07058 as bar 2.8487. Now, you can see if we add these two values together here, instead of combining, it would have resulted in minus 1.1513, which is not the correct answer. Well, this clearly shows the importance of combining the characteristic and mantissa together to get a log. Before I go, remember that there is no shortcut to mathematics. Practice is the only solution to mastering mathematical concepts. So, keep practicing. See you guys again in the next lesson.